G'day guys, James here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take an average 2-car garage, turn into a bit of a workshop slash storage area slash man cave. Now when we jump into it you'll see what it looked like before and then during. Now unfortunately I lost a bit of footage from some of my pallet racking that went up and some of the toolboxes that were assembled, but from there you'll see what I could save and it turns into a nice little video anyway. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's take a look at it. So the plan now that I've got that other workbench built is to basically relocate everything off that one across to there, and then I'm going to slip that in and replace it for where that smaller bench is. That smaller bench is going to become my miter saw stand. So in through the middle here, this will be the last stage. I'll have the miter saw here and a couple of end tables running off that. I'll switch all that around now and getting close to the end. Now these little benches that I'm building now, because they're going to go beside each side of this miter saw stand, I want to set them up so they're going to be the same height as this miter saw table. I've got 865 here. When I set my legs up on these, I'll adjust those up, and then I'll just use the little legs at the bottom so that I get a nice even plane through there. So I'm going to set my timbers up as a bit of a workbench as a saw stand. All right, lucky last bench. Get this together and that should finish it off. So the good thing now is I've got the saw bench set up, but it's in a spot where I can still manage to get a car if I need be to load the truck or something like that. Still enough room to do what I need to do. Still room if I need to get in the truck. So either load stuff onto the top of the roof or get stuff in the back if it's raining. It's still functional, I can get the truck in and out if need be. It'll always be parked in here because it'll probably be more of a mess, but at least you've still got that space to do it. So there you have it, guys. There's some of our storage. Now, quick tour. All this stuff you can see along the wall here, this all came from Super Cheap Auto. So in regards to the racks, the workbenches, the peg storage, even the tubs and bits and pieces, quite easy to pick up, and you can see how much of a difference it makes here just for tidying up, that sort of stuff. Got the TV in the middle there, can watch a bit of Fight Night, bit of music, bit of YouTube, whatever I want to watch. I'll give you a bit of a tour of some of the other stuff. Over here, we've got the rolling toolbox with all the slide out drawers, so it's quite handy. We've also got the other storage on this side with the pegboards. Got the toolbox with all the sockets and bits and pieces in there, so it comes in handy just working on sort of cars and equipment. Over there we've got all the camping equipment and stuff like that. And then over on this side is more of the commercial grade sort of, pallet racking, a bit more heavy duty. That takes the bulk of all my tools and equipment. And then the other side was just more sort of organisation and tools and equipment and the benches and things like that. What I also like is this miter saw station that I've set up. Having this saw here in the middle is great use of space. There's still room to be able to walk around the back here, grab out any of these boxes and equipment that I might need, and still have plenty of room to sort of walk through. And having these two stands set up either side of it just allows me to slide timber in and out. Now if I've got any long lengths, I can just pop the roller door up, and then I can just sort of access this miter saw stand, and the saw works quite perfectly. Now there's other things that I could do. I could probably set up a great big workbench here in the middle, which I would like to do at some stage, maybe on casters so I can run it in and out, and still be able to get access to bring the truck in like I showed you before, or the wife's car, she wants to get groceries out and things like that. Even here in the middle, we've got a section where we can hang up a punching bag, and it's good even just to use as a little bit of a gym here in the morning for that type of thing. So quite versatile, still better to use it at a garage, tool storage, and also a bit of a workshop. So there you have it, guys. That's it. That's the garage workshop all put together. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of inspiration of what you can do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, always love chatting, and check out some of our social media links as well too. Alright guys, till next time, take care.